Good morning, students. This is Professor Varun Shenoy signing in for a power packed edition of current affairs, general knowledge, and business awareness class for your employability studies and competitive examinations. This class is pretty important for students of graduates, postgraduates, and also PhD students to some extent on how to develop general knowledge, current affairs, and business awareness. So, when I say general knowledge, it's absolutely essential. Rather, all these three things are absolutely essential for your identification in the commercial world or employment market, or your employability appeal or your deployment appeal in any market industry, or even to start a business for that matter. So when I say general knowledge, it covers everything. It also covers current affairs and business awareness. How one can develop this general knowledge GK? Because this section is absolutely essential in competitive examinations where there is a separate section for general knowledge. Your aptitude tests for corporate employment, there is a separate section for general knowledge. Or if you are giving entrance exams like KMAT, GMAT, MAT, CAT, or whatever kind of entrance examination for professional courses, there will always be a section called general knowledge. Now, general knowledge covers history, geography, science, political, legal, technological, environmental, economical, and other environment related knowledge about GDP, employability, etc. When I speak about current affairs, is that what is going on currently in the world in and around us, whether it be political or business or sports or any other sector where there is commercial interest. So, commercial interest is a major driving force for movement or progress of this world. So, business awareness, which is also part of this general knowledge and current affairs, should also equip the students to know that which industry is a market player, who is the leader, who are the top businessmen, which are the top companies in certain spaces, what are the potential for the growth of the company, the industry, or the nation as a whole. So the question remains till now is that how one can develop these abilities in the commercial world. So first and the foremost thing you can develop your general knowledge is by reading newspapers. Newspapers is the best source that from where you can get general knowledge. If you take the front page, you will have the headings of what happened or headlines, what happened across the world, what happened in your country. And then you have the sports section, the business section, and various other local news sections where you can get enough amount of tidbits that is required to eliminate your mind space. So when you read a newspaper, you are not only illuminating your general knowledge but also current affairs and business awareness, because newspaper covers all these three sections in a bundle of paper, right? And you can also improve your vocabulary, reading comprehension, your understanding analysis by reading newspapers. If you want to improve your English communication, then I strongly urge you to read Indian Express, The Hindu, Times of India, and these newspapers, right? Deccan Herald. And you better know in your own regional language what are the newspapers that's been are available. So newspapers are freely available in university libraries. So please spend at least 15 minutes to visit the library, or if you are visiting library for some other purposes, please have a glance on the newspaper so that you are illuminated with your general knowledge. So newspapers, my dear. Second is television news channels. I mean, BBC, CNN will give you a very good insight of the world picture. Then, in addition, you have Republic News, which can also know what's going on in our nations. So, please make it a habit to watch these news. When a newsreader reads a particular news, you can also learn your pronunciations, what happened, how it's to be reported, etc. Nowadays, your online source is also available. For example, you can improve your general knowledge by logging into the web section of these channels or these papers, and you can also have certain apps available to improve your general knowledge. Okay, so Jagran Josh is a very good app which I suggest, or yeah, to improve your general knowledge and current affairs and business awareness. You can also follow Bloomberg News, Refinitiv, Thomson Reuters Corporation News to know what's happening across the world in terms of political and business events and how it's going to affect your learnings or your studies. Correct. So when this COVID-19 pandemic broke out in the world, news was the only source of general knowledge that is essential for your survival, isn't it? So having a abundant general knowledge will help you to take decisions and tread carefully. I would also like to urge you to keep an eye on the stock market indicators of our country. So you must be knowing that we have two stock exchanges in major. One is in Bombay, called Bombay Stock Exchange, where Sensex is the indices or the index, which shows how the total points in the stock market went up or down, or in the neutral scale. Similarly, if you can find out the Delhi Stock Exchange or NSE, National Stock Exchange, you will come to know the glance as to what's happening nationally in stock markets, right? Similarly, Bloomberg or Thomson Reuters will also provide you the indices of USA like Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Hang Seng, Nikkei, to know what is happening in their country, and the impact of this pandemic which went on through businesses. These are all certain general knowledges which you need to update. And you should also read business newspapers like the Hindu Business Line, then Economic Times, right? This is the subsidiary paper of the Times of India, which only talks business in terms of your materials, commodities, services, stock markets, what not of business, the entire corporate world. So, this knowledge of business awareness, general knowledge, and current affairs will help you to clear competitive examination, aptitude test, your entrance test, because without general knowledge, the human being is zero. Please remember this. So for general knowledge, okay, you may have to brush a little bit of geography from your high school, a little bit of maths, a little bit of physics, chemistry, botany, or any sort of general understanding of human beings, plants, surroundings, and environment, moral sciences, right? Moral education, characters, personality, India's heritage, national heritage, world heritage, the heritage sites, a little bit on medical sciences. So constantly you have to depend upon newspapers, apps which throw you general knowledge and current affairs for your betterment, for success in any kind of professional gathering. My dear students, in addition to this, you can start your own club in university or in your course, or you can join moral science club in the university, or ask the HOD to start this kind of clubs which constantly disseminate information for you. You can sign up for newsletters from Economic Times or Times of India, which can give you newsletters emailed to your inbox every morning or every evening to know what happened in the previous day when you check the news on the morning and the evening, how the day was, right? So these are certain ways you can develop your current affairs, general knowledge, and business affairs. So when you have these three components, please understand these information will lead you to having a strong understanding of commercial awareness, because commercial awareness is that methodology or that one technique that will lead you to success. If you do not have commercial awareness with you, then you are not possible to survive or proceed in this competitive world, which will give you a job or which will help you to set up your own business. And especially for budding entrepreneurs or startup evangelists, general knowledge is absolutely essential, because for an entrepreneur, whatever initiative he has to take in setting up of the business, everything has to start from the scratch. So general awareness, dealing with the CAs, chartered accountants, to know your accounts, dealing with the government officers or dealing with the government servants for your licensing, dealing with the lawyers or advocates, dealing with the law enforcement like police or any other licensing uh, authorities, is certain skills which you need to learn. Dealing with brokers. So when you read newspapers, you'll get certain ideas as to how the world is for you to make your way for a survival in such a commercial world, with the help of your general knowledge, with the help of your current affairs knowledge, with the help of your business awareness knowledge. Try to find out every day who are the new budding CEOs, who are the top leaders, okay, and what are their strategies, what are the business models that succeeded, and which is the company that is growing technologically, who has the better technology, who is the best technology, which are the upcoming applications in Android, which are the new upcoming models in Apple operating system, what is the difference between Linux, Macintosh, and Windows operating system, who are the companies in charge of bringing this, then what are the legalities, the business issues. So these are the things which you can get from newspapers, applications, or becoming more social and becoming a part of this university club. You can also try to become member of JC's Rotary Club, okay, or Toastmasters International, Speakers Club, SpeakMake. So there are several such clubs professionally which you can join. Business Networks International. So when you go for these functions, for their seminars, you get enough insight as to what is this happening around the world in the form of general knowledge. You meet certain businessmen. So if also when you go to internship or project, you should be very much open minded. the foremost technique is to receive general knowledge, is to become psychologically open minded. Just reading the newspaper and forgetting the contents will not suffice anything. So I urge you to memorize or write down certain this news which you feel is very important or makes an impact for you to remember. So any challenges in remembrance or in memory, I urge you to please write down, so that your knowledge will also be written down and it will be recorded or punched. So please start reading newspapers, go to library, read some magazines. The week Time magazine, there are India's top English daily magazines. Read some journals of management schools or business schools who have written research articles on certain markets or industries or on political scenario or political occasions. What is India's culture? You should also have something called as cultural conditioning, tolerance for all religion, how can you handle business atmosphere, environment around you, right? So the general knowledge is basically a vast ocean. I just cannot give you a tidbits on each, but I'm trying to cover the best what you must be focusing on, so that you become an all-rounder. So in a game of commercial world, you have to make a focus on all-rounder. So, my dear friends, I think with this small introduction and curtain raiser on business awareness, general knowledge, and current affairs development through reading newspapers, magazines, apps, becoming member of college club, I would like to sign off from today's session, and I would like to see you soon in my next session. Until then, stay safe and stay strong. Okay, and bye bye.